Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of Q Chef's Culinary Corner. We've got Chef Tyler here in Cafe Q. I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade kimchi. One of the first steps is to make sure that our table is nice and clean and sanitary. Even though the table may appear to be clean, there might be some bacteria that is not seen to the naked eye. So we want to make sure that we get every possible contaminant on the table so that we're not going to ferment any bad bacteria. In the first stage, the cabbage is soaked in a salty brine that kills off harmful bacteria. In the second stage, the remaining lactobacillus bacteria, the good guys, convert sugar into lactic acid, which preserves the vegetables and gives them that wonderful tangy flavor. Okay guys, so we salted the cabbage overnight in some salt water. We've taken it out and then we went ahead and rinsed and chopped the cabbage. And so now we're gonna go ahead and add some of these ingredients here. We have some green onion, some Korean chili flake, and we have some garlic, ginger, and gochujang. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up together right now. We want to lightly fold this in there because we don't want to bruise the cabbage. We just kind of want to make sure that it's coated nicely. I also need to add in some of this rice paste here. I've went ahead and pureed some flour in the blender, so it made it into a rice flour, if you will. And then I added some water to make it kind of like glue so that it makes the ingredients stick better to the cabbage. So I'm gonna add probably about half of this here. One of the last steps is going to be to go ahead and take the kimchi that we made here and put it in a container. And we want to go ahead and press this down so that all the good bacteria rises to the top. One of the things that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of water in here to go ahead and pick up all these flavors. And it's going to also help in the fermenting process. There we go. Now the kimchi is fully submerged in the liquid, and in a couple days, this is going to be getting even better with time. Thank you everybody for watching this edition of house-made kimchi from the Q Chef's Culinary Corner. I will feature this on the menu sometime soon. I hope that you come by and give it a try, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Number 1, contains healthy bacteria and probiotics for the overall wellness of your body. Number 2, kimchi contains allicin and selenium, both of which are helpful in decreasing the cholesterol reserves of the body. Number 3, kimchi contains 18% of the value of vitamin A, in which we consider the 2,000 calorie per day diet. Number 4, because of the selenium found in kimchi, this will help keep your skin and hair healthy. Number 5, kimchi prevents stomach cancer. Kimchi contains biochemicals such as isocyanate and sulfide, which helps in detoxifying heavy metals found in your liver, small intestine, and kidney. Slows down the aging process, helps you lose weight, prevents the occurrence of peptic ulcer. Last bullet on kimchi is that eating a high cholesterol diet can give 55% immune cell activity. A normal diet can give 68%, but a high cholesterol diet plus kimchi can give 75% boost to your immunity. Thanks everybody for watching. I had a fun time making this video. I look forward to any questions you may have.